Yardy. We say pop, 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 pop. We say juice, abra, poison. We say water, 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 water.
Don't know Poptain, you know.
Water.
When we talk about water, nothing dangerous on.
We say what?
Yeah. The water no make man get purified. Water no make man get crucified. Water no make man intensify. Water always there cause it a no passerby. Me straight up for the field cause me want just shower. Water no me enemy, me no people have no. Me radiator burn up, me want cool it lower. Give me no water, me throat get sour.
It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me want when refreshing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me dash when rejoicing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water no change color cause it just clean. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. No pollute water, no wasting.
Water make me granny make me nice, nice podo. A boarding school me does a make nice noodles. A water make me daddy love my nice, nice mommy. A water make me uncle get me nice, nice fancy. Me no want no liquor pour more water in me glass. Me want get clean cause me never want flash. Me toilet clean cause the poo them flash. A water make me fine at the upper post class.
It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me want when refreshing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me dash when rejoicing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water no change color cause it just clean. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. No pollute water, no wasting.
We say Yardy. Water, water.
Water in a
What is life? What is a blessing? We say if you drop goes, you don't know them if you drop the fresh like water. Hold them and call them.
water from the
We say hold them and call them.
It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me want when refreshing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water me dash when rejoicing. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. Water no change color cause it just clean. It's a blessing, it's a blessing. No pollute water, no wasting.
Gotta look good, come me want see me crush, oh gosh. Me have a date, me want fi go bad. Got a job interview, so me close them wash. Me no give a hush. Water make Jesus get baptized. Water clean dirty body where does demise. Water come from rain or in our eyes. Water make me get rid of dirty and lies.
It's a blessing, blessing. Water is a blessing from God, oh God, yo. One nice tea, so me boil my water. One fine coffee, so me boil my water. One yam rice, so me boil my water. Water full up in a me yard, cause it flow through the gutter. The Yardbwoy, you know. Yardy.
Call them and call them.